modes of celebration. Some of these are specific to Thailand and some happen all around the world. Which ones have you celebrated here in Thailand? That's right, we have many special times of the year in Thailand, such as Year2, Songkran, Christmas, Halloween, and Chinese New Year. We have been exploring the world to find out about more celebrations, and we would like to take you on an adventure to show you too. We have been practicing using Google Maps to learn more about celebrations in different countries all over the world. We have learned about lots of different celebrations, and we are going to teach you about some of our favorites. We learned one with lots of color and fun and singing and dancing. Right, off we go. First up is Mexico. Hola, welcome to Mexico. One of the most famous festivals in Mexico is Cinco de Mayo, which means 5th of May study. Cinco de Mayo is a celebration of the Mexican victory of the Battle of Puebla. This was a battle between France and the Mexican army. No one thought Mexico wouldn't win, but they did. Within the battle was still exciting that people still celebrate the victory today. You can celebrate Cinco de Mayo by making traditional foods like tacos and salsa, listening to a mariachi band, or practicing your Spanish language skills. Next, we are heading to Jerusalem. Hello and welcome to Jerusalem. Jerusalem is the capital city of Israel. One of the most important festivals in the Jewish faith is Hanukkah. A long time ago, a small group of people called the Maccabees wanted important what they celebrate by lighting on that it was only supposed to stay alive for one day, but it lasts for 8 days. Now, Jewish people celebrate Hanukkah for 8 days. One candle is lit for each day of the festival. Okay, time to move over to the other side of the world, to South America. There are many different festivals and celebrations in South America, but we are heading to the most famous in the world, the Rio Carnival. Our carnival is a big festival where there is a lot of music that people just in colorful clothes. One of the biggest carnivals take place in Rio de Janeiro, in Brazil. really exciting. I've discovered in the UK. It might be a great sleep, so please get over your head.
That's right. Go off to Ireland. I wonder what the most celebrated day is today.
And for celebration is St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick was born a very long time ago and is known for giving presidency to Ireland. Irish people all over the world celebrate St. Patrick's Day on Sensible Morning. They dress in green and blue Irish that sing just like this. Would you like to give it a go? Please stand up. Wow, what a great dancing. Right, we are nearly at the end of our celebration for this was of them and we are eating breakfast ready.
I wonder what celebration we might find on yesterday. Do you have any ideas? That's right. It's one of our favorite time of year, October.
Someone is the New Year celebration. There's people start for 3 days and starts on April 1st. Songkran is also known as the water festival as many people celebrate by normally displaying one over other. The water is used to wash away and that is from the previous year. We have reached the end of our tour. I hope you enjoy coming with us. Hopefully you learn something interesting about our amazing celebrations that can be found around the world. Which is your favorite? Please turn to the last song.
Love the leaves, love the trees, love the winds and seas, love the day that's just begun. Love the clouds, love the sky, love the birds as they fly, love the earth that we live on. But most of all, love yourself. Most of all, love yourself. Most of all, love yourself. If you gotta love yourself, you gotta love everybody else. Love the gods and the dogs and the birds and the frogs, love the day that's just begun. Love the family, the friends on the tour, and the wind of the earth that we live on. But most of all, love yourself. Most of all, love yourself. Most of all, love yourself. If you gotta love yourself, you gotta love everybody else. Put a smile on your face, give yourself a hug. Shake someone's hand. And the keep up, be the best version of you can. Yes, you can. Smile, open your mouth, smile, open your mouth, be the best you can. Smile, open your mouth, smile, open your mouth, be the best you can. Smile, open your mouth,